Valentine's Day, I'm gonna prank Tiana.
She's gonna think I'm trying to be funny by just giving her cubes for Valentine's Day. But in reality, bam! I did great. Got some flowers, chocolates. I'll explain that in a minute. And we got, look at this guy. Check him out. This is either gonna go really well or horribly wrong. Packed up real nicely. This is a 3-phase mission. Phase 1 is getting the flowers in there. Phase 2 is setting up smiles. And then phase 3 is going in and waking her up with this. Phase 2 is risky. I think we have a good chance of pulling it off because she's a really deep sleeper, but let's give it a shot. That was close. First I almost dropped the damn bear, and then I tossed it to the corner and made a little bit of noise, but I think we're good. I'm gonna go check and make sure she didn't notice and wake up before going in. Let's go take a quick peek. Looks like we're good to go. So let's do it. I thought about scaring her or something to wake her up, but I want it to seem as legit as possible so she believes that I'm really giving her cubes for Valentine's Day. And then there's a note at the bottom that I'll get her to read. Happy Valentine's Day! Woo! Good morning! Hello!
Why are you filming me?
For fun. We have company. Look!
Oh!
Got some flowers.
Baby did good. Thanks, babe. Our fridge.
Yep, just how you like it. But wait, there's more. You're gonna love it.
Good.
Yeah. What? You found the goodies? Ooh. Ooh. There's more. Ooh. That's an How Long GT. Ooh. What else is there?
Babe, I've had an hour GT.
Wow.
Thanks, babe.
You're welcome. There's more in the bottom.
Are you pranking me?
Huh?
Are you pranking me? What's this? No way! Are we going?
Yep, we got tickets.
Thank you.